Good morning, folks. It's a beautiful Thursday here in Minnesota. The snow is falling beautifully here. We're on one of the new construction projects I'm working on right now, and I thought I'd give you guys a little live update about how we're doing here. We're looking to finish this house next week. Basement is mainly finished. We're just going through now and finishing up the woodwork enameling on the main floor today, prepping some walls, and then we will be, let's go through here. Alright, so we have woodwork being finished here. We're putting the final coat on today, and then we're turning around and working to get those walls done. Look alive, guys. So lots and lots of prep, especially when the cabinet maker drops off all the cabinets before the walls are even primed. So we got a lot of prepping to do here. Prep like this. Guys have spent hundreds of hours getting all this woodwork ready to go. Got a beautiful satin finish on here back in the master bedroom or the bathroom here. Come back through. We'll go downstairs and see what everybody's doing here. So yeah, we got all the kitchen ready to go here. Everybody dutifully keeping this project moving along so we can get these homeowners in here. We got some railings protected. Beautiful finish on that stuff. Come down here, you can see we have some finish work going on, and this is cool. They're actually getting a scoreboard for the gym over here. Alright. We got some finished rooms down here. We're finishing up puttying all the holes in the woodwork. I got two of my seniors down here hanging doors today. Finishing up, going room by room here. Checking things off the list. It's awesome purple room here. And this is a fun closet here. Nice red closet. It's exciting for the young fella. Back through here. That's going to be the home theater back here. A couple of my other guys laying out stripes here in the gymnasium. You can see here we've done ceilings done, walls done, and you can see our beautifully laid out stripes up there. We're doing some black stripes. That'll be later today. We'll get that going. All right, so a little quick job site walkthrough here. Appreciate everybody for watching. I will be visiting another contractor tomorrow, Jason Paris, a fellow paint business owner up in Minneapolis, St. Paul area tomorrow for Ask a Painter. So I'll be doing a live Ask a Painter from his job site. Jason is one of the most progressive sort of young painting contractors in the United States, and I just met him personally recently. We've been corresponding for a while, but very impressive fella, and he runs a really tight outfit. So tomorrow we're gonna go talk to him about his business, and yeah, then we'll take all your questions live just like we did the last couple of weeks. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later.